Hey guys, welcome back to the High-Tech Software Solutions channel. And in the previous video we worked on how to update our galleries, and in this video we will work on how to be able to delete our galleries from the database. But before I start, I want to say guys that if you didn't have subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. First, we need to log into our system. So, if I remember correctly, we created a link for our delete. As you can see, we already have created our link for the delete, and we also created the route for our delete. Let me show you guys. If we go to resources, views, and galleries, and our gallery show, as you can see we have declared our route in here. So if we go to our routes, this is our delete route. We worked on it in the previous video. Now the only thing that we need for this video is to create the method that we want to delete our gallery from the database. And for that we have to go to our app folder, our HTTP controllers, and gallery controller. Now at the bottom we want to first declare our method, and for that we can say public function, and the method name was gallery delete, and the ID is also coming. Sorry for the brackets. Now we want to first grab the ID from the database, because we want to mark that specific gallery. And for that we can say gallery variable equals to our gallery model column, and we want to find our ID. Now after finding our ID, we need our gallery cover, because the cover is also located in our publics folder besides our database. And for that we can say gallery cover equals to our gallery model and our cover field. Now we want to unlink this cover from the publics folder, and for that we can say unlink public underscore path, and which path? The folder name is galleries, and we should concatenate our galleries cover with this route or with this path by saying gallery underscore cover. Now after unlinking the gallery cover from the publics folder, now we want to permanently delete our gallery from the database, and for that we can say gallery arrow delete. And after our delete we want to return our redirect. For that we can say return redirect arrow our route. And which route should it go? It should go to our home route. So guys, this was all the code that we need for our galleries delete. Now let's go and try it. If I refresh the page and click on this delete link, as you can see it redirected us back to the home page. And if we check our database, oh, it was empty from the beginning. So let's create another gallery. You can see gallery, and the cover should be this photo, and it should also say gallery. If we create it and check the database, as you can see this is our gallery in the database. And if I also check my folder, public folder, this is the cover attached to this gallery. And if I delete this gallery, first of all our table has been emptied, and our galleries folder is also emptied. Hopefully guys you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and in the next video we will probably work on how to update photos to our galleries. For now, bye.